Well, I think this looks like a great place to kind of stop and maybe swing the detector for a minute. What do you think? Hey, welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. I'm Jack Tucker. I'm traveling along the highway, saw this old cafe. It says permanently closed, and I thought, wonder how old it is. But nevertheless, looks like a great place to swing a detector.
Load up the truck, it's time to roll. With hearts so wild and a common goal, chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill. With the sun on our backs, we take our stand, uncovering treasures buried in this.
Hey, thanks for coming along and sharing on these adventures. Well, I tell you what, just that little bit can wear you out. I found some coins. That's really what I was looking for, some coins. Can't tell if they're old or not. I think some of them are newer though, but I'm going to look at them here and see what all they are. I don't know the history of this place. I don't know when it was opened. I don't know when it shut down. I don't even know how old it is. I'll have to do some research on it, but hey, I just thought I'd swing the detector and see if I could find anything. I'm out of here. I'm off to the next town, but hey, I want to thank you guys stopping along, sharing on these adventures. Hey, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. So until our paths cross again, thanks for watching, everyone. Sure, it's locked. I don't even have to try it. It's like there's black stuff on the window so you can't see in. This was probably the happiest place in this town once upon a time. Wonder why it closed down. Heck, no. Let me show you all the stuff that I found. Oh, here's all the stuff I found. It's just like a hunk of metal. That looks like a piece of part of an old 22 maybe. Might be a blank too, 22 blank. I don't know what that is. Piece of lead or something, don't know. Just a lot of junk. Probably parts of cars. Lots of pull tabs. The coins I found though, these are all the pennies. They're not weedy, so they're not old pennies. This is a dime. It's a Roosevelt, and from what I think it says is 1965 on it. So that's probably about the oldest thing that I found. But that's what it was. A lot of junk. And there's a lot of targets in there. I could have still been digging for a long time to come. But that's it.
Load up the truck, it's time to roll. With hearts so wild and a come and go. Chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill. With the sun on our backs, we take our stand, uncovering treasures buried in this land. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams never alone. With metal detector singing in the breeze, we dig for the fortune, uncovering keys. With a gold pan in hand, we sift through the dirt. Each little glimmer makes our hearts surge. By the firelight's glow, while laughter rings, as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings.
Stuff right there.
Fever's got
You did good, man. The gold miner. I got you.
we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams.
Oh, ain't that cool? Is this like the three, I was going to say something bad. But that'll work.
Is that better?
There you go, that's good.
Our laughter rings as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams never alone. Alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far.